Alright, runners, the countdown is on because registration for the Run Disney's Marathon Weekend at Walt Disney World opens on March 11th at 10 a.m. Eastern. If you've ever tried to register, you know it sells out faster than a Dole Whip melts in the sun. So today, I'm giving you the best tips to snag your spot before they vanish like Cinderella at midnight. Run Disney registration is like a Disney attraction. If you're late, you're waiting in a long line. Or worse, you're not getting in at all. Registration usually opens at 10 a.m. Eastern, but don't waltz in at 9:59 thinking you're cool. That means at 9:30, laptop open online and on the registration page. Phone do not disturb on. Doors closed, locked, and reinforced like you're guarding the last churro in Magic Kingdom. The Run Disney registration can be frustrating as you will be tossed into a virtual queue. So don't rely on just one device. Grab your phone, tablet, laptop, and maybe even train your dog to refresh the page. Okay, maybe not the dog, but seriously, have multiple devices ready. If one gets stuck, another might save the day. Five to 10 minutes before registration opens, start refreshing the page over and over again. You want to be in that virtual queue the moment it drops. Be relentless. Keep hitting refresh until you see the page load. Once that registration page loads, keep moving fast until you submit. Don't pause or second guess yourself. The key here is momentum. Quickly select your race, fill in the basics, and keep going. Some information can be added later. But here's the big one. Have your credit card ready. Make sure it's saved on your computer, or even better, have it in a Word document so you can copy and paste your information right in. Time is of the essence, and every second counts. If you stop to think or type in your credit card info, someone else just snatched your bib. If your dream race sells out mid-click, do not panic. You can choose another race or run for a charity. There are charities with bibs available. All you need to do is raise the required funds. So, have a second choice ready. Maybe you wanted the Dopey challenge, but it's full? Go for the Goofy. Or if all else fails, grab a shorter race and join the madness anyway. And don't forget, you can keep checking throughout the year. Registration may close, but Run Disney often opens new slots at random times. So don't give up hope. And there you have it, your foolproof guide to conquering the Run Disney registration. Follow these steps and you'll tackle the first challenge of the race before you even lace up your shoes. Now get ready, stay fast, and may a happy ending be ever in your favor. Good luck, runners. We'll see you at the starting line.